can see what I go through trying to film these videos. All right, got us a 96 F-150. It's got the big 5.0 in it. 333,000 miles. And doing a starter replacement. The guy's been having some major issues, starting issues. If you can't tell, he's been smacking the starter and he said it's been working, so time for a new starter. And he said it was the what do you call that thing? The solenoid. Then he said it was the battery terminals. Then he told me he had been smacking the actual starter, so everybody knows when it comes that moment, it's time for a new one. It looks like this one's been replaced before. Looks like it says reman on it. Somebody tightened the bolt extra tight. Fits there a little bit better. These are 1/2-inch bolts, are supposed to be. But somebody's been in here, you know, playing Incredible Hulk, looks like. And they've over-tightened them. And they don't come loose too easily. Oh. Hopefully they don't break. Oh. I don't know if it slipped or actually came loose. Oh, it actually came loose. There we go. All right. Now. You can see where you beat the devil out of it.
Just beat the devil out of it. As I say, that has to be the most fun part of the whole technique.
There. Take this and pull the jacket back, crimp it, strip this one. I'm gonna get my wire strippers. Flip top. Loose solder on. Let this puppy down and see if she'll fire up. No, it's not firing up. But she just 100. Drop it in there. Alright. There's the clock. See that? Oh yeah.